So hi everyone, I'm going to start to do labeling in this house and then I will do installation here. So here is the wood subfloor, some plywood, some OSB, so particle boards I mean. So if check level, if we check level, so in find the highest spot, so right here is highest spot, you see the green here, and if we have a look around, you see this green, this is lower, and if we have a look on this side, this is the line, you see, this line, so 3 fingers. I can't do level, I mean, I can do some parts, for example, this kitchen I can do level, but this side I can do just flat. So first of all, what I want to do here, some edges, it's not good, so you see the straight edge and there is a gap under, see the gap there, and here it's going, you see. So what I want to do, I want to sand down this edge first, because it's the highest point, you see, there is all green from the laser. So I want to sand this edge, this side, and that side is fine, and then put Planipatch to fill up whole join this plywood, you know, to avoid any leaking down, put foam around, and then level it. For cutting off this edge, I'm using a regular grinder, DeWalt grinder. It's 9 inches, you can use 7 or 9 inches blade. I'm using turbo blade. So also I connect this vacuum to the cyclone. It collects whole dust, most of dust, and rigid vacuum. So I'm using a few different vacuums. This is rigid, and just for leveling. So just you see. Also, when I finish cutting the edge, I remove all dust and mud from the plywood and particle boards to make it clean. Because if it's dusty, Planipatch not bonded properly with this material. So what I'm doing now, I'm putting Planipatch. Why I'm using Planipatch here? Because Planipatch can fill up all holes, all cracks, and it's avoid, when it's dry, it avoid any leaks downstairs. And Planipatch, when I'm mixing Planipatch, I apply Planipatch acrylic to this mix. Acrylic helps me to make very good bonding Planipatch to wood support. Here is the next day. I grinded all mud and dust from this wood subfloor, and then all edges and some high spots. And now I want to put foam around the walls, protect the side, then put foam inside the heating duct, and then I will level it, this area with tripod, because it's kitchen and dining area. I want to make as much as level this side, and then slightly sloping to this side, and also I would level this area close to the door, because it's visible if you have a look, it's beveled down, so need to raise this up, slightly up, approximately half inch from that side to 0 to this edge. So this is what I want to do today. I install foam, all perimeter, you see, and also I cover with foam heating lens. Now I want to put caulk on the bottom. This is leaking protection. And like this all the way. So I finished with caulk, insulate all holes. Put around the whole wall, and here is the island cable, insulated too. So next step, I want to put primer, L primer. I'd like to concentrate your attention to put primer to any coats when you put in, self-leveling compound. If you put 5 times, put 5 times primer, because primer helps you better bonding old and new concrete together. This is the key. Level this dining area. You see how it's sloping down? There is a lot. And this side, kitchen side. And I do first, this is the highest spot here. I slightly move it down, it should be lower than this high spot. And I level first, and then I will see if it's possible to grind this high spot later, sand it down and match it, it's okay. If not, I will put another 1/4 inch coat over. So, but at this time I don't want to go higher than this spot. So you see, and I don't want to do too much here, because here you see 1/4 inch down, here is 0, you see 0. So I just want to come slightly flat with this side. I don't want to go up. But we have to minimize material. I'm not doing, so for this area I need to put pallet or 2 pallets. 1 pallet 56 bags. So no, just I use not much first, or minimum that I can do. And tripod in this situation very helpful, because if you don't have special tools, some area you can put over the needed. Why I tell you about it, because before, when I just practiced how to do leveling, I did a lot of things time over feeding. And then when I We just have precise tools, which is very helpful. You see, I always have a box with this tripod in my van. Very easy. Just need laser and tripods. You see, this is less, much less than that side. Many of you ask how many tripods do we need. Sometimes if it's like this area, I need very precise. I just use as much as I can, you know. So most of tripods I set up here, you see. Now I want to fill up that area first on the doorway, and then I'll take this tripod and install right there. So okay, so we have to go here first. I will show how I level this area in next video. So here is the dining area, it's kitchen area, done already. So I need to remove all tripods. You see tripods, concrete self-loading compound exactly come to the bottom plate. Here is I put 22 bags in this area, in another area 6 bags. Hard job, so there is very limited time to do it. I like this result. Looks really nice. You see? It's really uneven. 22 bags. Here is, I don't know how much. 300, maybe 350 square feet. A lot of material. We can have a look from another side. In front of fireplace was very low. I hope this video was interesting and very helpful for you. I showed you whole process how I did leveling here. Don't hesitate, ask me any question. See you on next video.